Good afternoon, parents. This is Mr. Manjarez over at Boris Elementary School, and I want to make a quick video to show you how we could use Quizlet. So, the first thing you want to do is go to our website, boris.cusd.com. Once there, go to About and find our staff. You go to this page, come down to Grade 4, and find my website right here. Right here would be a good time to bookmark it just by pressing the star up here. And then once you're on our website, go to the class links page. From here, it'll give you a couple of options. You could go to spelling, Quizlet, Google Classroom. You could even see our school menu, but for this activity, we're going to go to Quizlet. And from here, students are able to filter what they want to look at. For example, this week, vocabulary, we could look at able words. So I'm just going to type in able, A-B-L-E, and it takes you right away to vocabulary. And from here, students are able to practice their vocabulary words. They have flashcards that will show the word and the meaning. And then a cute picture there, what the words mean. And they could practice that. Another option that's good for them to use is the match, where students have to play a game where they have to match the vocabulary with the word. For example, this word, good enough or considered satisfactory, that is called acceptable. Easily replaced or extended, that could be renewable. Able to open and close multiple times, resealable. Able to be fixed, repairable. To be paid back if not satisfied is called refundable. And the last one, to be possible, the best that can be imagined, is imaginable. And so, it pairs them up with other students in our classroom. They don't have to sign up, but they could play it. It's just another way of studying them, studying your vocabulary words. Now, we'll use Quizlet for couple different things, mostly though for vocabulary, science, and social studies. So if you go to make sure that it's typed in by my name. So again, that's going through Quizlet on our website, and then just filtering whatever it is you want to look for. If you go up here to search, make sure that it's Robert Manjarez and not somebody else, because there's another Robert Manjarez, but it's the one with our Boris Charger logo there. So that's just one way of finding how to use Quizlet to help us study in both vocabulary, science, and social studies. Hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I hope it was useful. Thanks.